This is the third video in SQL Queries tutorial, and in this video we will learn about case statement and pivoting in both ways by using pivoting using the pivot operator and without this operator. So let's start. Select static from production.product, and here we need color and product count is equal to count product number, and then we have to use group by color. That's what we have done in the last video. So if I execute, we are getting colors and product count. So the requirement is we need to convert rows into columns. So how we can do that? For this we need to copy this query and open in the new window. And here we don't need group by. So we need the first column, color, and here we need the second is black. So we need to use here count. Then we need to use the case operator, case when color is equal to black. Then product number. That's it. We need to write here and. So this is the syntax for the case statement. So when the color is black, then we will get the product number and the count will count those number of products. So if I execute, so we don't need color here. And if I execute, so here you can see the black is 93. If you see here, black is 93, and let's add one more. Just need to copy and paste. And here we can write blue, blue. So if I execute, the black is 93 and blue is 26. So this is how we have converted rows into columns. When color is black, then the product number, and you can also use the else condition as well, but the else is optional. So we can change this thing a little bit, because here the else statement was not make any sense, because we have equal number of product number and product name. So when the color is black, then 1, else 0, this one. And the same for this, when the color is blue, then 1, else 0. So here we have to use sum, and for the count as well, sum, so that these values should be summed up. So if I execute, so I'm getting the same result. So this is one way, and let's try to achieve the same result with the help of pivot function. So for this we have to use here select static from, and then we have to use here the subquery as we have seen in the last video. Select static from production dot product, and here we have use, and here we need color and product number, this one. So we need to use here alias like X, and if I execute, I'm getting the color and numbers, product numbers. Here we have to use one operator, pivot, and then I need to use count product number. This is what we are looking for. And count for what? Count for color in, and here we need to provide one list. The first one is for the black, and the other one for the blue. And you can enhance this list according to your requirement. And here you can write Y. So then we need semicolon. So if I execute, here we have to write one bracket, and now if I execute, so here you can see I'm getting the black and blue. See, if I run both queries, so I'm getting black 93, blue 26, and the same result here. So this is how we can utilize case statement to get rows into columns, and in the same way we can get rows into column by using pivot operator. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.